Father, bilang isang legal scholar po at bihasa din sa mga ganitong klase ng bagay, ano po muna yung overall assessment po ninyo sa una, naging takbo ng impeachment trial? Para po sa inyo ba, naging fair at maayos yung proceedings overall dito po sa 5 days na impeachment natin?
Kung fairness ang pinag-uusapan, talagang fair. At humahanga ako sa pag-preside ni Senator Chis Escudero. Ang problema ko lang, mantakin nyo, no? We are on the second week of the trial, and so far only 2 witnesses have testified. In other words, the proceedings are unduly protracted, very long.
So ano po ba ito? Masyadong mahaba po ang tingin ninyo?
Yes, and also the style of the conduct of the trials. That is the reason that yung post ko, I was proposing the adoption of, number one, the method that was used in the impeachment of President Bill Clinton in the United States. Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, ang paglilitis ay parang paglilitis sa isang hukuman. Ay hindi naman yan ang nakalahad sa atin sa Ligang Batas. The impeachment is an exercise of political accountability. So we are not trying to prove that a crime was committed. What we want to see is proof that one of the highest officials of the land ay hindi nakarapat-dapat na manungkulan or kung dapat sibakin na sa kanyang pwesto. So iba ang pakay ng impeachment trial sa paglilitis sa isang krimen.
Okay. Ang sabi niyo po, Father Rani, na hanga naman kayo sa naging pag-preside nitong si Senator Chis Escudero. But on the other hand, you were also saying na medyo mabagal yung takbo nito pong impeachment. At ang suggestion niyo nga po, gayahin yung naging style noon sa impeachment nitong si US President o dating US President Bill Clinton. Pero Father, sa ngayon po ba as a presiding chair, wala po ba yun sa powers ni Chis? Kung meron man mga irrelevant matters na nare-raise, kung po pwedeng patigilin niya yung iba po sa nandoon sa impeachment trial?
Well, yes, that's one thing. Pinagbibigyan niya kasi he wants to remain fair and he wants to appear to be fair. Pero ang problema doon, ang ginagamit nilang method ay yung method sa regular court proceedings. Both the chair and the counsel on both sides are using the methods familiar in court proceedings. And I don't think that's correct. So I think the Senate as a whole should vote or should decide to adopt an alternative procedure for the presentation and reception of evidence. Kaya rin sinabi ni Senator Gatchalian kahapon, no? His calculation is that this trial would take over 100 days. So there's really an urgent need to change the rules, no?
Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa totoong balita, impormasyon, music, and entertainment. Mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcast at sundan nyo kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa True Network PH. Bisitahin din po ang aming official website, truefm.ph. At panoorin din kami sa True TV Signal, Channel 19. Kami po ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.